So now I'm going to cover else if activity. Okay, else if, that is also one of the control flow activities. Let's go to design tab, create a new sequence. Okay, that is else if. Okay, else if, then click create. So here I'm going to show you a demo of how to use else if. Okay, so let's say I have multiple conditions. Uh, Maybe from my I'm getting from my input or um, wherever it is. Okay, so here in my demo I'm going to add the input dialog box, drag and drop input dialog box. Let's say you have to select some months. Okay, so then here the dialog title is should be like month. Okay, month names. Okay, here into your input label, so I can say select your month or something like favorite month. So I have given the label as select your favorite month. Okay, so here there is a input type, so I'm going to choose multiple choice. So if you select multiple choice, there will be other option, it will be pop up. So here I'm going to give some multiple choice option within double quotes. Here itself there is a hint, separate with the colon, semicolon. Okay, and I'm going to add Jan semicolon and Feb semicolon and March. Okay, so here I'm going to create a variable. So after I select any one of the options from this list, then that should be stored into a variable. Okay, then let's say selected month. Okay, so if I run this particular this input dialog box, if I execute this, and it will show you like this, select your favorite month, here the month names and the Jan, Feb, March. Okay, so if I select Feb, then my which option, so if I execute this, and that particular Feb will be stored into the selected month variable. Okay, if you go and see here in the property panel, there is output. Okay, and if you see the variable panel also, there is a variable name with the string data type. Okay, and now I'm going to use else if statement, because if I use if statement, I can only place a one conditions. Okay, I mean two conditions. Either I can go with a Feb, Jan, or if it is not Jan, so if I selected any other month, it will go always in the else statement. Okay, and so if I want to check for multiple conditions based on my selections, based on my input, then I can use else if statement. Okay, then you drag and drop else if here. So let's say this selected month. Okay, selected month equal to within double quotes Jan. Okay, so here I didn't use uppercase conversion and I didn't add contains and all, right? So because here there is no user input, because the input itself I had a uppercase only. So here the same whatever I select the option, and the same will be compared with the my conditions here. Okay, if selected month is Jan, go into this, or else. So if I want to add one more else if, you can add it, or no, clicking on this add else if, or add else if, then select else if. So if my selected month, okay, selected month equal to within double quotes Feb, then go here. Okay, if my selected month, else if my selected month is March equal to March, go here. Okay, so let's say I'm going to drag and drop a right line. So let's say right line, and drag and drop here, and so here I can add your selected month name is, then call your selected month option. Okay, then so let me copy and paste it in all the flow. Okay, now I will execute this. Just step into and then step into, and it's executing the input dialog box. Now I'm going to select Feb. Okay, then click on OK. Now you see the result stored Feb. Okay, and the selected month also stored Feb. Now it's going and checking. Here it checked, there is no match, and here it checked in the second condition there is a match. Then it's going inside to the then statement. Then it's printed the statement your selected month name is Feb. Okay, and then it's coming out. So this is how the else if it will work. So let's see.